How to maximize $500,000 in a Gold IRA without high fees. Looking to protect and grow your retirement savings? Gold offers long-term stability, especially during inflation or economic downturns. But fees can eat into your returns, unless you know how to avoid them. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how to maximize $500,000 in a Gold IRA without high fees. 1. Choose the right Gold IRA type: traditional Gold IRA, tax-deductible contributions, taxed on withdrawal. Roth Gold IRA, tax-free withdrawals in retirement. SEP Gold IRA, higher contribution limits for self-employed. Select based on your tax goals and retirement timeline. 2. Diversify your precious metals, don't go all in on gold. A smart $500,000 allocation might look like $250,000 in gold bullion, $100,000 in silver, $50,000 in platinum or palladium, $100,000 in cash or ETFs for liquidity. This spreads risk and boosts flexibility. 3. Avoid hidden fees. Common fees include setup, storage, and maintenance. Look for custodians that offer flat annual fees, transparent pricing, segregated storage, not commingled, no pressure policies on rare coins. Even 1% annually can cost $5,000, don't overpay. 4. Use fee-free rollover options. Roll over your 401k or IRA directly, avoid tax penalties. Many custodians offer no-fee rollovers. Use trustee-to-trustee transfers for smooth funding. 5. Pick a trusted custodian. Check, A+ BBB rating. 4.5+ stars on Trustpilot. Clear buyback policies. Decades of experience. Compare at least 3 to 5 companies before investing. Timing matters. Use dollar-cost averaging to reduce volatility. With smart planning and low-fee strategies, your $500,000 Gold IRA can become a secure, high-value asset for retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.